drive medical Scout DST 4-wheel travel scooter. Dynamic suspension technology. DST features front and rear suspension coils for the most comfortable ride on all terrain. Delta tiller with ergonomic throttle control. Charge port located on the control panel and battery pack for easy charging. Brakes: electromagnetic: anti-tip wheels. Armrests are padded, contoured, width and angle adjustable, and covered with reflectors. Height adjustable swivel seat with fold-down backrest. Quick and easy disassembly. Interchangeable color panels in red and blue. Headlight: large plastic basket with carry handle. Dimensions: 42.5 liters x 21.25 watts x 36 h. Weight capacity: 325 pounds. Seat: 17.5 watts x 16 d. Max speed: 4.25 miles per hour. Total weight: 123 pounds. Turning radius: 55. Motor: 270 W x 4700 rpm. Estimated range: 15 miles. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.